In today's video, we're going to cover how to get character consistency when generating videos. First, we'll look at how to keep 3 characters consistent: a police officer, an engineer girl, and an old man dressed like a cowboy, and create a video that looks like this.
This beer is very good. Now cheers.
Then we'll move on to keeping 2 characters consistent, plus keeping the environment consistent. The 2 characters will be the police officer and the engineer girl, and the environment will be a cozy kitchen, giving us a video like this.
I'm very excited. We'll be testing the nuclear reactor today.
That's great,
Can't wait
honey.
to go to work.
Finally, we'll focus on keeping an object consistent. We'll still use the same 2 characters, but this time, the object will be a police car, giving us a video like this.
Hey there, love, got a tail to spin. From the
Now, I know from all your comments that this is a topic many of you struggle with, and I finally found the perfect tool to help you. With this tool, you'll never have to worry about character or environment consistency again when making your animations or short films. And the best part is, you no longer need to spend hours creating storyboards in an image generator, trying to make your characters and environments look the same in every shot, and then you still have to generate the videos in a separate video tool. Now you can skip that entire step. All you need is a full body shot of your characters on a white background, images of your environments, images of any key objects, and a simple list of your scenes. That's it. This new way of creating videos is much more effective and will save you a ton of time. So if you're ready to take your animations to the next level, hit that like button and let's get started. The tool I use to make these videos is Pollo.ai. This tool is going to become your new favorite. Trust me. Say goodbye to having multiple subscriptions across different AI tools, because Pollo has it all in one place. It offers image to video, text to video, and video to video, where you can apply different styles to your clips. They also have an AI animation generator that lets you create full animations just from prompts. On top of that, it includes over 60 different AI effects you can choose from, covering all the latest viral video styles, so you can stay on top of the trends. Pollo.ai gives you access to some of the best AI video generators all in one place, like Pollo 1.6, VO3, Pixverse, Kling AI, HeyLuo, Pika, LumaRay, and many more. So you no longer need to subscribe to them separately. You can use them all here in one place. You can even generate your images here. If you go to the image generator, you'll see they give you access to some of the best image models like Flux, Google Image Gen 4, and Stable Diffusion 3. They also support all aspect ratios. You can choose between text to image and image to image, which means you can upload a reference image to guide the result. And they have something very interesting called LoRa's. These are like special effects you can add to your image generation to help you get exactly what you want. You can even select up to 5 of them at once. If you go to the AI tools section, you'll find even more hidden features like video upscaler, lip sync, and video face swap. And they have 4 more coming soon, like video background remover, video object remover, and video extension. All of these sound amazing, and I can't wait to try them out. As you can see, Pollo.ai is always improving, so it's only going to keep getting better. But what really sets them apart is the consistent character video generator. Now we can finally create AI stories with consistent characters and consistent environments. At the top, you'll see an option to add up to 3 reference images. Below that, you can type your prompt. They also have a translation button, so if English isn't your main language, you can write your prompt in your own language and then translate it to English for better results. In the settings, the max resolution is 1080p, and you can choose between 5 and 10-second videos. You can also pick a fixed camera, which means the camera won't move at all. You can set your aspect ratio, landscape for YouTube videos, or portrait for shorts and reels. Then you can also lock the seed. This means the AI will use the same seed for all your videos, making everything more consistent. Try to pick a scene you can remember, so if you come back to continue your story, you'll still get the same results. So always make sure to lock the seed. You can also choose how many videos it should create at a time, but to save credits, we'll leave it at 1. And lastly, you can choose if you want your creations to be public or private. And there's also a copy protection option so other users can't copy your work. Now let me show you some examples. The video generator supports up to 3 images, and that gives you a few options. One option is to upload 3 characters. This will keep those characters consistent across your videos. But keep in mind, the environment won't stay consistent on its own, so you'll need to describe it clearly in the prompt to help the AI get it right. This works really well if each scene takes place in a different location and you just want the characters to stay the same. For example, I'll upload a Miami-style police officer, a girl engineer in overalls, and an old man dressed like a cowboy. Then I'll enter the prompt, A cowboy, a cop, and an engineer sit together at a cozy wooden bar with warm ambient lighting, rustic wooden walls and furniture, soft yellow lights hanging from the ceiling, shelves stocked with vintage bottles, each holding a beer mug. The cowboy takes a slow drink, while the others share a soft, friendly laugh. Warm lighting fills the scene. Then I choose the landscape aspect ratio and click Create. It takes around 5 minutes to generate the video. Now that it's done, you can see all 3 characters stayed consistent with their original images. And the consistency is actually very good. Next, we'll remove one character and add an environment. I'll take out the old man character and upload an image of a cozy kitchen with breakfast pancakes prepared. Now we're going to keep 2 characters consistent and also keep the environment consistent. For the prompt, I'll write, in a cozy kitchen, the engineer girl talks excitedly, her hands gesturing as she explains something with a smile. The handsome police officer listens while eating his pancakes. I'll keep all the settings the same and click Create. Once it's done, you'll see that both characters remain consistent, and the kitchen matches the reference image we uploaded. I have to say, this AI is doing a really good job keeping everything consistent. Next, we'll add an object to keep consistent. This is helpful when there's a specific item in your story that you want to keep consistent in multiple scenes. It could be a car, a boat, or anything that needs to stay consistent throughout your video. In this example, I'll remove the kitchen image and add a police car, so we can keep it the same across scenes. Then we'll use this prompt, a sunny morning scene viewed from outside the car. A police car drives to a city street. Through the front windshield, the handsome police officer is seen driving, focused on the road. In the passenger seat, the cheerful engineer girl is singing with a smile. Then click Create and wait for it to generate. Once it's done, we get a nice video of the police officer driving while the engineer girl sings along with the radio as they head to work. And as you can see, the characters and the police car look exactly like their images. Next, we'll create a video of a robotic engineer working on a robot in his lab. I'll add an image of the robotic engineer, an image of the robot, and an image of the lab with a table in the center. Then, I'll add the prompt. In a lab, a focused lab doctor in a white coat is carefully fixing a humanoid robot lying on the metal work table. He uses a small tool to adjust components in the robot's arm. The robot's eyes flicker with soft blue light. Then, I click Create. Once it's done generating, we get exactly what we wanted. A doctor working on a robot on the table in his lab, and everything looks fully consistent. So as you can see, this AI can really make a big difference in how you create your short stories. I truly hope this helps some of you finally get the consistency you've been looking for. I've added the link to Pollo.ai in the video description and pinned it in the comments so you can try it out for yourself. When it comes to pricing, they offer 2 packages, Pro and Lite. Both give you full access to the tool. And if you choose the yearly plan, you can save 50%. If 800 credits aren't enough for you, you can also adjust the Pro package to fit the number of credits you need. If you got value from this video, please like the video. And if you want to stay up to date with the latest AI tools and video creation methods, make sure to subscribe. I'll be covering new tools every week and also sharing different ways to create AI videos. I actually read every comment and reply to almost all of them. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.